Here is a fresh blank Forbury model, and today you'll see how quick it is to model up a first initial view of the key metrics, such as the IRR. There are a couple of ways to add in the tenancy data. One option is to come to the tenancy sheet, where you can manually type or copy-paste the data in, inserting as many tenancy lines as are needed. Or you can click Import in the Forbury add-in to import a tenancy schedule. There are additional options: import from an Argus Enterprise AVUX file, import from actuals, or the top option here being Tenancy Importer, which allows for the import of tenancy data from a PDF brochure, perhaps looking similar to something like this, or from an Excel file that would look somewhat like this. Let's use the Excel file. A likely scenario is that it's been emailed to you. From your email, you can directly drag and drop the file over onto the Forbury add-in. For this example, there are two sheets in the Excel, so you can choose where you want to get the data from. And now it scans the document and tries to automatically match what the column headers are. When it can't find a match, it will allow you to map it. So here it has found the tenant column with the tenant name and the lease start with the start date. And now I can manually match the NIA column as the area column. On the left-hand side, you can see that there is still key data missing, such as the break date, base rent, and headline ERV. And you can match these columns to the relevant inputs. If you work with a lot of the same groups, you can save these header selections as a template so that it's even quicker next time when you receive a similar file. Right, now you can click Confirm, click Apply, and this is going to populate all the mapped tenancy data into the Forbury model. Import works for the single asset model and at the portfolio level, which of course is a huge time saver. Great, so it has picked up the vacant unit, pulled across the commentary, and now you can edit any of the data as you see fit. From here, to get to the first look at the key metrics, you can add some high-level information, such as the appraisal date, enter the hold period, let's say 5 years, and then how you want to value it on entry and exit. So choosing from any of these yields, or perhaps you'd rather enter the entry and exit purchase prices. Finally, clicking on Run Model, which sends data to the Forbury cloud calculation engine to process, and it will populate the outputs back into the model. It's generated an initial IRR for this asset of 6.69. And here is the gross value on entry and the breakdown of all the yields on entry and exit. You've got some great initial insights after only a few minutes of effort. And now you can firm up all the details by layering on assumptions, growth, and financing. Forbury is a fantastic time saver, helping you make faster data-driven decisions.